Hey, it's Romeo, and today in this video, I will be showing you how can you earn money without doing anything. Visit the link given in the description, and you will see a page like this. You will get $5 in your account after sign up. Click on the Claim Now button. You will be redirected to the sign up page. Enter your email and password here, and click on the Sign Up button. As you can see, I got 5,000 credits, which are equal to $5. You will also get $5 in your account as a bonus. Now download and install Honeygain application. I will fast forward the video to save your time. After installing, you will see Honeygain application will run in your background. It will use tiny amount of your internet to make you earn money without working. If you need more information about Honeygain and how it works, all information links are given in the description. I hope you will like my video. Stay subscribed for more videos.